is now changing his defense in his murder trial. Our legal panel takes it up next.
To buy gold. There's so much financial craziness in the world today. My gold from Roslyn Capital.
At Stadium Toyota means hundreds of certified pre-owned Toyotas on sale up to 50% off MSRP from $11,995 with 100,000-mile warranties available. StadiumToyota.com. Never pay a penny more.
We're the kind of friend who knows that setting up electronics leaves you a little tied up. Try as you might, we know that installation is just not your thing. Which is why we let you use your talents for other things, like kicking back and enjoying the fruits of the labors of our knowledgeable techs. Bright House Networks. Hello, friend.
International Diamond Center, in conjunction with Bruce Codner Galleries, is currently paying record prices for all your unwanted heirlooms. With third-generation expertise, we greatly value diamonds and estate jewelry, antiques, gold and silver coins, paper currency, Rolex and Patek Philippe wristwatches, oil paintings, bronze and marble statuary, sterling silver, Tiffany, art glass, European porcelain, and Russian works of art. To schedule a no-obligation appointment, call us today, toll-free at 1-800-811-5508.
Attention, all Medicare beneficiaries who need assistance getting around their home. Imagine one scooter or power chair that could improve your mobility and your life. One Medicare benefit that, with private insurance, may entitle you to pay little to nothing to own it. One company that can make it all happen.
Your power chair will be paid in full.
The Scooter Store.
Call the Scooter Store for free information today.
Call 1-800-730-1500 for free information. That number again is 1-800-730-1500.
Toyota's Save in May sale at Stadium Toyota means new 2012 Camrys, Corollas, Prius, and Yaris from $13,900 with 0% and no payments for 90 days. And 2 years complimentary maintenance. StadiumToyota.com. Never pay a penny more.
Right now, a murder trial underway in a Miami courtroom getting national attention. Prosecutors claim developer Adam Kaufman strangled his wife, Lena. But his lawyers say his wife hit her neck on a magazine holder after suffering heart failure while in the bathroom. Initially, they planned to argue a spray tanning session coupled with a history of fainting spells led to her death. Rejoining us, former federal prosecutor Doug Burns and criminal defense attorney Chip Merlin. Chip, is this the kind of thing that the jury would know about? I mean, would the jury have heard both theories, or will they be totally unaware that the defense changed theories in the middle of the trial or in the middle of the investigation?
John, that's a great question, and the jury will never know about the defense's first theory of how this all happened whatsoever. Unlike the Casey Anthony trial, where the defense came out with a theory of the case and then changed it midstream, and they still won anyway, this jury hasn't heard anything. They're in jury selection right now, and the only thing they're going to hear is the defense's position of exactly how this death happened, with a heart attack falling over on the magazine stand, and that's all they're going to hear.
Yeah, Doug, the spray tan theory, the reason this case got so much notoriety is because this guy, Adam Kaufman, claims that his wife went to a spray tanning session. She was allergic, and that caused her death. Pretty ludicrous defense, at least to my ears. Now that they're going to, now that his side is switching, does he stand a better chance here?
If I'm the prosecutor, John, I don't care if it's the spray tan defense or she hit her head on the floor defense. The reality is the prosecutors claim that he strangled her, so they're going to have to step up to the plate and do it. The first way they're going to do it is this, John. He said, I was asleep the entire time next to my wife. Well, there's only two problems with that. Number one, the hood of his car was warm in the garage, and number two, his side of the bed appeared to be unslept in.
And the defense tried to block that evidence.
Yeah, you read my mind. I was just going to say, John, the defense specifically moved what we call in limine before the trial to block that from coming in, which gives you a little bit of a telltale read that they know how much it hurts them, John.
But, Chip, here's another kind of weird thing. It's my understanding that the defense plans to call the victim's parents to the stand as though they're going to say nice things about their son-in-law.
Well, they probably don't want to say nice things about their son-in-law if they believe that he murdered her, but the truth of the matter is Linda Kaufman had prior fainting spells and she had a heart condition, and they want to bring that in through the parents. So this is going to come out, and they're also going to bring out the spray tan incident and the spray tan where it was found, just to show that it was sloppy police work going on, to show that the police were biased to only find reasons of a criminal nature as to why she died.
Well, you know, as Chip said, Doug, in the Casey Anthony trial, one theory was put forward in the opening arguments. It was never substantiated, and Casey Anthony got off anyway. I mean, could that happen here?
Yeah, that was pretty reckless. They said the child drowned in the pool, and then the father had sexually abused, the mother. Here, though, as Chip pointed out, he's right. Nobody, at least yet, they didn't start the trial, has opened on any theory other than we expect they're going to say. It's funny because when they handicapped the evidence to discovery, they probably figure they have a better chance with this defense. And, I'm not going to prejudge it. Maybe it's borne out by the facts that she slipped and hit her head. I mean, this is a straight forensic case. They're going to have to prove how she died. They're going to come forth with experts, testimony, witnesses, and we'll see what happens.
All right. Chip, Merlin, and Doug Burns. This case, the judge says, expected to take about 3 weeks. Jury selection really just underway now, so we'll know in a few weeks. Thank you both.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, John.
Mother Nature's fury unleashed a massive